we have two red vacuum cleaners. You'll be able to see this one is marked number 2. So, and these are for guests, volunteers and interns to use just general cleaning around the Giraudiere. It's very important that they are cleaned regularly though. And now I'm going to show you how to clean them. What we do, we press this forward and that allows us to lift up top. And you'll see, first of all, there's a filter that comes out of here. Now this one's been washed, so that's okay, but normally we would just put it in some warm water and leave it in the sun to dry. They are very light, so I would suggest that if you're leaving it in the sun, you put a little pebble or something on it to make sure it doesn't blow away. Once it's dry, it just slots into there. So that's the filter. The next thing we have to do is to take off the catcher, which is this part here, the handle. Take it off, and to empty the catcher, there's a little thing, button to press there, and it opens it. This one is already empty, but you would take it to put it in a rubbish bag and empty all the dust out. Make sure you catch it in a bag, then it doesn't blow all over. Now inside there is a filter, and you'll see there's a little arrow. One points to lock and one points to unlock. So I'm going to turn it to unlock, and then it comes out. So we'll put the catcher down. Now what we have to do is, now this is the funny bit, right, we can again lock and unlock. So we want to unlock, and we can take this off. Again, this is very clean at the moment, but normally I dip it in the water, give it a quick wipe with a brush and leave it in the sun to dry. Now the next part, you have to be a bit careful with this because it is actually card, so it doesn't want to be too wet, but again, a quick dip in the water. And one good way to clean this is to use an oak toothbrush, because then it gets all the dirt from within the folds, the pleats actually, the pleats. So then you can wash that, again, leave it in the sun to dry, like that. Now while we've got this all out, we'll give the vacuum cleaner a wipe over. It does get lots of dust on it, so we can wipe it all. Oops. Make it look a bit cleaner. You can always, that's very dirty underneath, so we can just pop it in the water and use a brush like this one to just clean it out. Cleans me as well. So again, we'll leave that to dry in the sun, and we'll just wipe the main body of the vacuum cleaner, get all the dust out. So if you're going to use a vacuum cleaner or you're cleaning around, I'd suggest that you look to see how dirty it is. This one's not too bad because it has been done quite recently and the catcher's been emptied of any dust. So here we are. I think this one's quite clean now. So, one vacuum cleaner, all done and clean. So we'll just leave these drying out in the sun, and then we'll put it back together again.